In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the table loop component in Microsoft Loop. Before we dive in, let's make sure we're all on the same page. Microsoft Loop is an incredible tool designed to help you work collaboratively and effectively, and the table component is just one of its powerful features. So let's walk through the steps to build and utilize a table in Microsoft Loop with ease. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Loop by navigating to loop.microsoft.com. Once you're logged in, head to any page where you'd like to add a table. Now here's where the magic starts. Simply type the table and hit enter. Almost like a little piece of wizardry, a basic table will appear ready for you, equipped with 2 columns and 2 rows. From here you might want to make the table more relevant to your needs. Click on the column headers to rename them according to your preference. This helps keep everything organized and tailored to your specific project or task. But we're not stopping there. To expand your table, there are 2 simple ways. Either click the plus icon beside rows or columns, or if you're looking to move quickly, just press tab to jump across cells, efficiently adding new dimensions to your table. Next, if you find that the columns aren't quite the right size, you can easily resize them by dragging the divider between the columns. It's a practical way to ensure all your data fits nicely and is easy to read. Once you've got your columns the way you like, you might find that sorting them is your next step. Simply click the arrow in the column header to sort the data. It's as easy as that and incredibly useful for organizing information precisely how you want it. For those of you looking to add a bit more functionality or automation to your table, you'll want to use the ellipses menu. Here you can access table rules and configure triggers, conditions and actions that can automate repetitive tasks, giving you more time to focus on the creative aspects of your work. When your table is all set up and you're ready to share it with your team, click the share icon right above the table component. Copy the link that's provided and you can easily paste it into Microsoft Teams, Outlook, or even Word to spread the word and engage with your colleagues effortlessly. If you're wondering about practical applications, let's cover a couple as we wrap up. You can utilize tables in Microsoft Loop for task tracking, where you track the progress of team projects, assign tasks, and set deadlines. It's also perfect for brainstorming. Collaborate on a table to gather ideas, vote on different options, and create actionable items. And there you have it, the essentials of using the table loop component in Microsoft Loop. Remember, these tools are designed to make collaboration easier and more efficient, enhancing how you work with your team. Thanks for joining me today, and happy looping.